So tonight we will be cooking together. It's a little date night, quality time, you dig. We have everything set up for what we will be cooking. I found this recipe. What is wrong with you? Anyways, I found this recipe on like Brazilian, like seasoned marinated chicken.
I found the recipe.
Alright, with mashed potatoes and gravy.
I want to welcome all y'all to Rejae's Kitchen. I'm the true chef of the family. So first, well, I'll let her walk through the process. This is my
because
assistant.
You don't know the process.
This is my assistant. I'll let her walk through the process.
So first we're going to start with the chicken. Alright, so the chicken marinated in this special seasoning for about like 3 to 4 hours. You want to do that so it'll taste the best. And we're going to transfer it over to the pan and bake it for about 40 minutes.
40 minutes? Hungry now.
I don't know what to tell you. So the potatoes have been washed already. I'm going to start cutting those up into chunks. If you don't like the skin, you can peel them. I like the skin, so I'm going to keep them on. And also, I don't feel like peeling the skin off all of these potatoes. So, alright, so now we will put this in. So you bake it for 40 to 50 minutes, and then like basically until the juices run clear. And once you see the juices in the pan, you take a baster and you baste chicken so it can be tender. And then the last 5 minutes of it cooking, you want to broil it so the skin can get nice and like crunchy. So since you have clean potatoes already, you want to cut them into chunks and put them into boiling water. Alright, so it's been 20 minutes since the chicken has been in the oven. And now it's time to baste it. And then you put it back in the oven for 20 more minutes. And then once that 20 minutes is up, you want to broil it the last 5 minutes. Now that the potatoes are tender, so you'll know when they're tender, they'll be super soft. And you just transfer them over. And then you use a stick and a half of unsalted butter. I don't have any, so I'm using margarine. It works just the same. And then turn this on. And you just want to mash it. This works way better than using a fork. And you want to add a ½ cup of heavy cream. So much for Chef Ray knowing it all.
Sometimes you don't respond to ignorance.
So you add pepper as much as you want. They have like a measurement amount. I never measure my seasonings. I season to taste.
What if somebody don't know taste?
Well, then follow the directions.
Everybody ain't professional like the little Ray.
Alright, so the chicken has broiled for 5 minutes. It is done. That's what it looks like. You can see. So now chicken's done, mashed potatoes done. Now we will start on the gravy. You want to add 2 tablespoons of butter, and then 2 tablespoons, and then 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And you whisk that for about 2 minutes. Now you want to add 3 cups of low sodium beef broth. Then you add a little seasoning, the same seasonings that you used. And you want to bring that to a boil. So now that the gravy is boiling, you want to add in a 1/2 cup of heavy cream. You also want to add in a dash of hot sauce. So this is everything. The mashed potatoes have been transferred over to the plate. There's the chicken. Raymond working on the gravy. Good boy ugly. You trying to thicken that gravy up?
Oh,
and
I'm tired.
I know, I am too. It is 11:40. So we're about to make the plate and show you the aftermath. Here is the ending result. Looks pretty darn good if you ask me.
Anything I make that's not nasty, but.
Bye.
But thank you guys for tuning in. I'm about to say tuning in. Jesus, it's been a long night. But I just want to say to all couples, do stuff together, spend time together.
It's worth it.
Yeah.
We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let us know if you tried the recipe and if you like it. I will have that link down below if you would like to check it out. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, like, comment, and let us know what you guys think, and we will see you all next time.